Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard with 2 players. To begin, ensure you have 2 controllers connected to your console. Once both controllers are recognized, launch the Call of Duty Vanguard game. From the main menu, navigate to either the multiplayer or zombies section. The second player can then join the game by pressing a designated button, usually indicated on the screen, allowing for local split-screen action. After both players are in, it's time to choose your preferred game mode. Call of Duty Vanguard supports split-screen in various multiplayer modes, such as Team Deathmatch, Domination, and Kill confirmed. You can also team up to fight hordes of the undead in the exciting Zombies mode. However, please note that the main campaign storyline does not offer a 2-player split-screen option, so stick to multiplayer or Zombies for shared fun. During split-screen gameplay, each player will have a dedicated section of the screen, typically split either horizontally or vertically. It's a good idea for both players to adjust their individual in-game settings, like sensitivity and control layout, for optimal comfort. Effective communication with your teammate is crucial for strategic advantage, especially in objective-based modes. Be mindful that your field of view will be somewhat reduced compared to single player, so adapt your playstyle accordingly. It's important to remember that the 2-player split-screen feature for Call of Duty Vanguard is exclusively available on console versions of the game, not on PC. Performance might vary slightly depending on your specific console model, so expect a smooth experience on newer systems. Ensure both players have a comfortable setup, with good visibility of their respective screen sections. Most importantly, enjoy the shared, immersive experience of battling it out or surviving together with a friend right beside you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.